video is Improvers Solo Salsa Routine number 6, and this is something we've already taught in a class and it's just a short recap. I'm going to face the front. Here we go. We had one basic, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. We had a Susie Q with a flick, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we had a crossover walk with a flick, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next bar, we had a rocking forwards, 1, replace the weight on 2, slightly open to the left on 3, and a little bunny tap on 4. And then we were doing a small hop on 5, little hop again on 6 as we removed the leg, and then 7, the leg was going down. So that bar was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little bit more jazz style. Next bar, whilst I'm over here in the lunge, 1 step over, 1, 2 and 3. That was the kickball change. A right side preparation, left side spin, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's just do those 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2 and 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, next one, I'm going to step with my left foot and do a rocking step like a crossbody open. 1, 2, 3, lunge on 5, and then left turn 6, 7. If you felt confident, you could have done the double, which will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Next one, we had a mambo with a heel on the 4. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I did 5, 6 and 7 for my little flare. Okay, so let's do that all in one go. Basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, Susie Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Improvers Solo Routine number 6. See you next time.